Well, as of Friday, the National Hurricane Center has identified our next region to monitor for potential tropical development. Now, we have to turn all the way to the central tropical Atlantic to take a look at this system. This is about 900 miles west-southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands. This is a tropical wave that's interacting with a broad low pressure system in the area, producing an area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Now, over the next couple of days, the system overall has a low chance of development. Only about a 10% over the next 2 days and only a 20% over the next 7 days. But there is a caveat here. By the time we head into midweek next week, the National Hurricane Center says this will just gradually lose its chance of development overall. So it really needs to happen over the next couple of days. Now, why would this be the case? Well, we kind of have this plume here of Saharan dust that's going to be moving right into that region where this area of potential development is. Not only will this kind of stop the development as we head into the midweek next week, but it also will kind of stop this system from becoming a long track tropical system, meaning that this is not going to move further north into the Atlantic, definitely not impacting the U.S. and likely not having any major landfalling impacts overall. Regardless, if this does become our next named storm of the season, it will be the fourth one that we've had so far. We've only had 3, meaning this will claim the name Dexter, and we actually haven't had any hurricanes yet. All 3 of our systems so far have been tropical storms. This is not really abnormal for the hurricane season. If we kind of take a look at climatology for tropical storms and hurricanes in the Atlantic season, we tend to see a peak right around August to September in activity, and we don't actually typically see our first hurricane of the season until around August 11th on average. So we'll kind of keep our eye on this system, but overall the good news is this doesn't look to have a lot of impacts on central Georgia and on the U.S. as a whole.